there's no service here. What the? What? Look at this. What is? The there's no service here. What the? Hey? What the? What the? You guys see that? What the? I seriously have no idea what is going on here. Now there's service here. This is very confusing. 여기도 Woodlands North. And then now everyone is gone. Everyone is boarding the train here. It's the screen is not even like it's not even showing correct. Look at this.
Doors are closing. Please do not lean against the train doors. Next station, Marina Bay. In Taiwan, change at the next station for the Circle Line or North-South Line.
Apparently, currently this station is running to a dual platform departure, just like Pasir Ris and Tuas Link.